Web.com versus Wix, which website builder is best for you? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a comparison review between Web.com and Wix. And to create an account on Web.com and Wix, you can click the link in the description below, in which by clicking on it, you could also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So basically, throughout this video, we'll explore the pros and cons, features, pricing, and other essential factors of each platform. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know Web.com, it is a company that offers services related to the creation, design, hosting, and marketing websites, in which they provide individuals and businesses with tools and solutions to establish a presence and grow their ventures. And Web.com assists with domain registration, website building, e-commerce solutions, web hosting, email marketing, search engine optimization, and online advertising. On the other hand, Wix is a platform based on cloud technology that allows users to create and customize websites without any coding knowledge required, in which it provides a user interface equipped with the drag-and-drop tools so that individuals and businesses can easily design looking websites. And also, Wix offers a range of templates suitable for various industries and purposes such as business templates, websites, e-commerce stores, portfolios, blogs, and many more. And users have a freedom to personalize their website with custom fonts, colors, images as multimedia elements. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Web.com and Wix. And let's start by knowing their features, starting to Web.com, in which some of the features of Web.com including it is easy to use website builder. With Web.com, you can create your website effortlessly using their drag-and-drop functionality. And it also offers diverse template options, in which they offer a range of templates designed for types of websites like business, portfolio, and e-commerce. It also offers domain registration made simple, in which you can register your custom domain directly through Web.com's platform. And they also offer hosting services, since Web.com provides web hosting services with built-in security features to ensure your sites stay safe. And they also offer responsive customer support. If you need help, they have the customer support via phone, chat, and email. On the other hand, some of the features offered by Wix is the website building capabilities, since Wix offers website builder that allows extensive customization options to tailor your site exactly how you want it. And they also offer extensive template library. They have a selection of templates catering to industries and styles, giving you plenty of options to choose from. And aside from that, they also offer expand functionality with apps, since Wix provides an app marketplace where you can enhance your site by adding additional features and functionalities. And you can boost your site's visibility with SEO tools. They offer integrated SEO tools to help optimize your site and improve its visibility in search engines. And now that we know the features of both platforms, we can now proceed to the pricing comparison of Web.com and Wix. And as you can see on this table, the starting price of Web.com amounting to $1.95 per month, while Wix offers $16 per month. While in terms of their free trial, both platform Web.com and Wix offer the free trial. In terms of free version, Web.com offers $1.95 per month, while Wix is starting $16 per month, as I said earlier. And Web.com is best for small business companies, while Wix, anyone looking to build and grow their online presence. Whether you're a self-creator, small business, or large organization, you can do it all with Wix. So that's just basically the pricing comparison of Web.com and Wix. Now moving on to the pros and cons of both platforms, starting to Web.com. The advantages or pros of using Web.com is that it offers focus on search engine optimization, since Web.com puts emphasis on SEO strategies and online marketing. And it also offers domain registration, in which you can register a custom domain directly through Web.com. And they also offer a user-friendly website builder, offers to use a website builder with drag-and-drop functionality. And it also offers a reliable customer support, provides customer support via phone, chat, and email. However, the cons of using this platform is that, in terms of the storage limits, all plans have limits on storage capacity. And in terms of template limitation, once your site is live, you cannot change templates. And in visitor analytics, it is not offers in combo plans. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using Wix. Starting to its pros or advantages, it offers intuitive drag-and-drop interface since Wix offers a user interface that allows for easy content, addition, and design customization. It also offers SEO integration since Wix offers integrated tools to enhance your website's visibility in search engine rankings. And also it offers extensive app options, access over 200 app integrations to incorporate functionalities into your site. It also offers free membership since Wix provides a free membership plan that grants access to the majority of its features. However, the cons of using this platform Wix is that it offers limited visitor analytics which are not accessible with the combo plans. And also in terms of its storage restrictions, all plans come with storage limits. But the question is, who should choose Wix? Well, Wix, known for its user platform and wide range of templates, it's an option for those who want a simple website builder without the need to code. And it also offers a setup process and a browser-based interface where you see what your website will look like as you build it. And Wix gives users the ability to create looking websites with ease. The templates cover categories allowing you to personalize your site according to your preferences. While Wix may not provide the level of support as leading web hosting services, its free service offers a comprehensive set of features, and additionally, Wix includes SEO Wizard that helps optimize your site for search engines, ensuring visibility to visitors. Now what about web.com? Who should choose web.com? Well, web.com takes an approach by focusing more on search engine optimization or SEO and online marketing, and if you're interested in hosting with marketing capabilities, web.com could be the right choice for you. Although it may not offer the drag-and-drop simplicity as Wix, it compensates with emphasis on driving traffic and conversions. And web.com pricing plans are competitive, making it an appealing option for businesses aiming to establish a presence. Now moving on to the user reviews comparison of both platforms. As you can see, the overall rating of Wix is 4.6 over 5-star, in which it also offers a free website plan, combo plan amounting to $16 per month, and unlimited plan amounting to $22 per month. On the other hand, web.com user reviews, the overall rating of it is 4.3 over 5 stars, and the basic hosting of it is $2.75 per month, and plus plan amounting to $3.95 per month, while the premium plan amounting to $5.95 per month. And based on these user reviews, we can say that Wix has a better reviews than web.com. Now in conclusion, both web.com and Wix are known website builders, each having its unique strengths, since web.com is a choice for businesses seeking a quick and hassle-free solution to establish an online presence, in which they offer hosting plans and popular website builder. On the other hand, Wix is renowned for its user-friendliness, quick setup time, and wide range of features. It's an option for those who prefer the freedom to be their website designer, developer, and marketer. But ultimately, the decision between the two comes down to preferences regarding website building style, features, and pricing options. So that is just a comparison review between web.com and Wix. Thank you.